Hi and welcome to this short video where I'm going to be talking about using 3CX for your remote sessions. This short video is just going to go through what you need to know and some of the basic usage of the 3CX platform. So, first thing you need to know is that it's web-based. It works within a web browser and it's based on HTML5 technology. This is brilliant because you don't need to install any software before you actually start your remote session. You do need to, however, check it actually works. But on the flip side, it only works on 3 modern browsers. Okay, so the browsers it works on are Google Chrome, Firefox, and Opera. They are, at the time of this recording, the only 3 browsers that are supported. And it's not that the others are missing features or have partial functionality. It's that the others won't work. This is an example of me running the 3CX application within the Internet Edge. Now, Internet Edge is actually Microsoft's latest browser and it still does not work. Again, that is at the time of this recording, which is 2019. They don't work. The only 3 that are supported: Google Chrome, Firefox, and Opera. So make sure you have these 3 browsers installed. Not only do you need to make sure those browsers are installed, it's possible that they're installed, but resources within the application might be blocked. So definitely make sure you get that checked by your security system. Okay. Now, before your session, you will receive a link. That link might be given to you through email, use of OneFile, the VLE, but you will be given a link. So, as I said previously, make sure you test that link, make sure it works, make sure your equipment works, and all that good stuff. So, I'm just going to give you some basic usage of using 3CX. So, I'm just going to join a session that I've already started. So here I am in a new window. Now I'm using Google Chrome for this example. I'm just going to paste in my my meeting link. Now, upon the first time I visit this meeting link, it will ask me for a username. Now, this username will be the name that I'll be referred to within the environment of 3CX. So I'm just going to give this a name. Just going to log in. Now, the first time I log into the 3CX application, it will ask me, am I okay to allow my microphone and my camera to work with the application? It's important that I'll click allow. And whilst we're on this topic of microphone and camera, it's imperative that you have a working camera and a microphone. At least, at very, very least, a microphone, but it's very important we have a working camera and a microphone. And that's just to make sure that our remote sessions work the best and everyone gets as much as we can out of the sessions. Okay, so make sure you have a working camera and microphone. I'm just going to click allow. And what you'll see is that it's used because this computer has got 2 cameras. So it's used my onboard webcam in order to project the image. So you can see that's my onboard webcam. Now, what I want you to understand is that the application is actually projecting this image to me. This is the image that the application is projecting to me, and this is the image that I am receiving from the application. So you can see I'm projecting myself twice, but this one on the right hand side, this is the one that I'm projecting, and this is the image that everyone else is seeing of me. Okay, so here I am. You can see that I'm an admin. You can see my webcam is active and that my microphone is active, and so is my chat inside of the chat log here. So I can actually say hello here, and once I press hello, I can actually, on the other screen, I can actually respond. Now, this chat dialog is really, really useful within your remote sessions. Very useful within your remote sessions. So it's imperative we know where the chat dialog is and how to use it. Something else we need to also know is that when using your remote sessions, you may need to change some of the system settings, for example, your microphone or your webcam. So that's easily changed. So if I just click on the settings cog at the very top, it will open up a dialog that will allow me to make sure I'm aware of which input device I'm using and which output device, i.e. speakers or headphones, which input, which output device, and as well as that, I can most importantly choose the, let me just move this out of the way. I can actually choose the video device that I want to use. So you can see my computer's got several video devices. So I'm going to stick with the integrated webcam inside of there. You can see I can choose my microphone and I can choose my speakers. Okay. And if I like, I can even press start and hit a little small recording of making sure my microphone works, making sure my webcam works, making sure everything works before my session. Now that is how we use 3CX.